Implementing AI-powered platforms for automating affiliate program management can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your affiliate strategies. Here's how you can get started. 1. Choose the right AI platform. Select a platform. Look for platforms that specialize in affiliate marketing management, such as Impact, PartnerStack, or Refersion. These platforms often include AI tools to automate repetitive tasks and optimize performance. Features to look for. Automated recruitment, AI algorithms that identify and recruit new affiliates based on their performance and relevance to your niche. Smart segmentation, tools that categorize affiliates based on performance, niche, or other criteria to tailor strategies and communications. Performance optimization, AI that analyzes data to suggest optimal commission rates, promotional strategies, and incentives. Integrate AI into your workflow. Data integration, ensure your AI platform can integrate smoothly with your existing CRM and analytics tools. This integration allows the AI to leverage historical data to make informed decisions. Set clear objectives. Define what you expect from the AI in terms of recruitment, management, and optimization. This helps in setting up the AI tools to focus on specific goals like increasing conversions or enhancing affiliate satisfaction. Monitor and refine. Regular reviews. Even with AI, regular oversight is necessary to ensure the program aligns with your brand values and marketing goals. Periodically review the AI's performance and decisions. Feedback loop. Use insights gathered from the AI's performance to refine your strategies. For example, if the AI identifies a high-performing affiliate segment, you might increase their commission or provide additional support. Stay updated. Keep learning. The field of AI in affiliate marketing is rapidly evolving. Stay updated on new technologies and methodologies that could enhance your program. Attend webinars and workshops. Engage with the community through educational events to learn from peers and experts. Measure success. Performance metrics. Track metrics like ROI, conversion rate, and affiliate satisfaction to measure the impact of AI on your program. Adjust based on analytics. Use the detailed analytics provided by AI tools to continually optimize your affiliate strategies. By automating affiliate program management with AI, you can save time, reduce errors, and make data-driven decisions that enhance the effectiveness of your marketing efforts.